more at the top. The US Open was not short, an exhibition of top-notch skill and indomitable will. So in US, some exhibitions have still been happening. Exhibition means competitions. Some competitions have been still happening, and there are still some players who are very skilled and who are very skilled and who have a very strong will to play. The 2020 US Open, which concluded at New York on Sunday, may not have had its usual stardust, but that should not deflect from the excellence of Dominic Thiem and Naomi Osaka, who won their first and third Grand Slam single titles respectively. So that 2020 US Open competition have completed or finished in New York on Sunday, but it did not have the competition did not have it did not have the usual star players which it used to have. But that doesn't mean that the competition was not good. There were some players like Naomi Osaka and Dominic Thiem who have showed their excellence. They have played very well, and both of them have won their Dominic Thiem have who won their first and third Grand Slam single titles. So Dominic Thiem had won his first first slam single title, his first slam single title, and Naomi Osaka, she had won her third Grand Slam single title. Injuries and travel concerns owing to the COVID-19 pandemic forced Roger Federer and Rafael Nadal into not making the trip across the Atlantic. So because of this pandemic situation, where we have to take care of all the traveling issues and so on, two players were not able to make it to the competition. They were Roger Federer and Rafael Nadal. World number one Novak Djokovic, chasing Federer's all-time record of 20 Grand Slams, took the bait only to be disqualified in the fourth round of accidentally striking a line judge with the ball. So the current world number one player, Novak Djokovic, so he actually tried to break the record of another player. His name was Roger Federer. So he actually tried to break his record, but accidentally he has lost the competition while he was trying to break his record. He was disqualified because he struck the line judge. Among women, 6 of the top 8 were missing. So when we talk about the women's side, there were top 8 women in whom 6 of them were missing. Means they did not attend. But in extraordinary times, strength of the competition must not be the only barometer. But in extraordinary times, means in these times, the strength in this times such as in these times means in the time of the COVID-19 situation, the strength of the competition that shouldn't be the only thing which matters. The travel, the isolation, the lack of fan engagement, and the persistent threat of a virus meant that players had to mine every bit of their mental energy. So, as we just read, the strength of the competition is not the only thing that matters. Their traveling issues, as we read, their isolation issues means the players are isolated, and the third one is that no fans. So if there were fans, they would cheer them, right? But in this COVID-19 pandemic, most of them are not coming, so it's very hard for the players to be encouraged. And the persistent threat of, and most importantly, all the players have this fear of getting the virus, and they should use every bit of their mental energy to follow the precautions so that they would not get the virus. It is a it is a testament to to Thiem's and Osaka's supreme abilities that they did not wither and managed to even summon their best tennis and fight back from the brink against the young Alexander and season Victoria, and season Victoria, both players of top-notch skill and indomitable will. So these two players, Osaka and Thiem, they did not back off. They have played their best tennis play, even against the new players, but skilled players. For example, Alexander and Victoria, both of them were very skilled players. Even though Thiem and Osaka did not back off, and they have played their best tennis. Thiem is a first-time men's major winner 6 long years after Marini Klich, while Osaka has joined Venus Williams, Serena Williams, Kim Clijsters, Kim Clijsters, and Angelique Kerber as the only active women to have won at least 3 single majors. Uh, so Thiem, he had achieved an award. The award is that he's the first time men's major winner after 6 years. After 6 years of actually before 6 years, a woman named a player named Marin Klich had already got that award. So after 6 years of her getting the award, Thiem again got it. While and this is only about Thiem. When we talk about Naomi Osaka, she has become she won at least 3 single majors. So this is Serena Williams and Venus Williams, Kim Clijsters and Angelique Kerber. So these are the only women who have managed to win at least 3 single majors. And now Naomi Osaka, she has joined the group. Statistics aside, the tournament provided the first glimpse of how men's tennis could shape up the absence of Federer, Djokovic, and Nadal. So, if we forget about the statistics, even though this competition did not have the top-notch and top players like famous players like Djokovic, Federer, and etc. This competition shows that how could this competition says or shows that the game tennis is very good even without the top players, even without the skill players. The TM-led mid-card, which also includes Daniel Mendeleev and Stefanos, made good on its promise and provided 3 of the 4 semi-finals. That the 27-year Austrian broke through first was no surprise, for he had already reached 3 major finals and consistently beaten the big stars. So the 27-year-old boy, Thiem, so he's an Australian, and the 27-year-old boy have done wonders. He have defeated the top-notch players and very skilled players, and he have made it to the top 4 semi-finalists. For he had already reached the 3 major finals and constantly beaten the big stars. The most recent was in Melbourne earlier this year, where he came within a set of defeating Djokovic in the final after having already felt the then world number 1 Nadal in the quarterfinal. So, as we just said, Thiem, the 27-year young Austrian who had broken many records and created wonders. He has been continuously beating many star players. So he has to reach the place where he is now. He has defeated Djokovic, and before Djokovic, he has also defeated Federer. Sorry, not Federer. He has also defeated Rafael Nadal. When he defeated him, he was actually the world number 1, not Djokovic. Novak Djokovic is the world number one at the current time, but at that time, Rafael Nadal was he was the number one player, and then Thiem defeated him. While Thiem appears to be in the future, Osaka, nearly 5 years younger, is very much of the woman of the moment. So it seems to us like that it appears to us that Thiem might be the future star player, but the thing is, Naomi Osaka, she has made a name for all the women. She has become the woman of the moment. Means if we talk about the woman, she stands up. The Japanese is the most decorated Asian singles player, and her use of the platform of being the most marketable sportswoman on the planet to highlight insistence of racial injustice has captured the world's imagination. So the Japanese means Naomi Osaka is a Japanese woman, so Japanese player. So um, she has uh, she has left everyone in wondering. She is the most decorated Asian singles player. Means she is the most famous or most skilled Asian singles player, and she has gone through everything. She has gone through racial injustice, and she has been a sportswoman for marketing. Means she have been as a sponsor for many companies and so on. Serena, who failed yet again in her quest to capture a record equaling 24th Grand Slam, will remain on the top draw as long as she plays. So Serena Williams, she did not make it this year. She failed. But even though she failed, it doesn't matter as long she stays in the tennis. The tennis, she will be a huge challenge to be beaten because she's not a weak opponent. She's a very challenging opponent, and as long she plays, it will be very hard for the players to face her. But Osaka has carved out her identity. So when we talk about Naomi Osaka, she's not like Serena Williams. She has brought up a name for herself. She has been playing very well. The immediate future of the tennis may lie in a sequestered world of biosecure bubbles, but batteries are no doubt being taken down. So during this pandemic, many star players have been occurring during this pandemic. So these star players might be the future of the tennis. For example, when we the star players of tennis are Djokovic, Roger Federer, and etc. Top-notch players or skill players. But in the future, these players such as Thiem and Osaka, they might be the future skilled and players of fame. We don't know. But barriers are no doubt being taken down. Thank you.